Learn. I was the co-chair for the Tide 2011 and 2010 conference, and I'm really excited to see this year, now that the control is finally out of my hands, how the conference is gonna progress. Uh, for me, Tide was always a fantastic experience because it gave everyone who comes a chance to share their own personal stories of identity, and it's amazing to see how nice and how much people enjoy being able to share these stories about themselves in a comforting environment. At Tide, you're going to learn how to dialogue, which is a specific type of communication where everyone will be able to have a safe and respectful place to share the hopes and fears that they may not normally be comfortable discussing. So at Tide, you're not only going to be able to come away with a skill set necessary to foster and perpetuate the dialogue you learned back in your own community, but you should also have one of the most fun weekends of your year. So I'd really recommend the experience for anyone who's looking to learn a little bit about themselves, learn a little bit about the people around you, and also have a great weekend.